Welcome back, guys. Today's video is about sharing access of your devices to anyone around the world. This is hugely important for service people, allowing multiple staff members to control the lights, stores helping out beginner customers, and obviously giving access to friends or family if you were to travel. So let's go ahead and click the Living Room Aquarium tab, and in the top right corner, you'll see the menu button. Click that and then simply click Share. Now you simply add in the email address of the registered user that has also downloaded the Dalua ecosystem app. Click Share and then Done. Now we are looking at the dashboard of the invited users Dalua ecosystem app, and you can see other aquariums that have been shared with this person. So if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the invitation request and you can simply click Accept. The screen will load for a few seconds and then instantly you'll see the aquarium appear at the bottom that you now have full access to. So everything looks exactly the same now. You can click on instant control and also schedule control, and any changes you make will be reflected in real time on the devices anywhere in the world. And again, it's the same for schedule control as well. You can create schedules, upload schedules, and it will upload and change in real time. And now we're back in the original owner's aquarium page. So to remove the shared user, all you need to do is click on Living Room Aquarium, and then in the top right corner, the menu icon again, and then click Share, and then you can simply unshare and they will now not have access to your aquarium anymore. It's really as easy as that. Thanks for watching, guys.